Guys, I'm making my first YouTube video. I'm so excited for this. Actually, I was thinking about it for a quite long time, but never had guts to speak in front of camera. So, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Arya Benkhare. I'm 21 years old from Pune, India, and currently I'm in Milan for modeling. So, I have just arrived last week. Currently, I'm in isolation. So, I just thought I'll shoot something for you guys. And I always get DMs about how I started modeling. So, I just thought my first video should be about my background, like how I started modeling, how I got scouted, how I started working in Paris, Milan, and London. So here it is, and we will see how it goes. And I really hope you will enjoy my first YouTube video. So I was considering modeling since I was a kid because I was super tall, and my father used to tell me that I should be a model one day, and he used to ask me to do a ramp walk as a kid. But they wanted me to start when I'll turn 18. Then I came across this competition called Elite Model Look on Facebook, and I just thought I should try it. And I took my best friend with me and went for the casting, and luckily I got shortlisted in it. They shortlisted girls from many regions of India, and we had our boot camp in Goa. So it was for I think 10 days, where they taught us like basic things of modeling, how to walk, how to pose, the postures. So I think I did my first ever photo shoot up there. I can share my picture here somewhere here. But honestly, I never thought I would win that competition because I was trying something different and I was super new. I just thought it will be a nice experience for me. Maybe I'll get a chance later on to work for Lakme Fashion Week or something, but never thought about international career. I remember during the competition I felt super sick. I was on antibiotics. During the practice session I had 100 fever, but I just kept telling myself that Arya, please don't give up. This could change your life. You never know. And with the God grace, I won the competition. I remember when they announced my name, my reaction was like this. Maybe if I'll find the video, I'll definitely share with you guys.
Beautiful, the girl who will be meeting Alexandra in Milan on the 29th of November and competing with 40 other countries is contestant number 2, Arya.
Talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy. Out of my mind, out of my mind. Wrote it down and read it out, hoping it would save me. Too many times, too many times. He makes me feel like nobody else, nobody else. He doesn't love me, so I tell myself. To myself, one, don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling 'cause he's not gonna love you. Don't let him in your life.
So I want to mention that that's how I got to know Wendell Rodriguez sir. We had his gown for our finale, and he was such a nice human being. I mean, I still can't believe that he's gone. I clearly remember next day on Facebook I got a friend request from him, and I was in a cloud nine. Like, Padma Shri award winner is sending me a friend request on Facebook. That's where I learned that no matter where life takes you, Arya, in future, make sure you always
Be humble.
and he gifted me the finale gown as a token of appreciation. It's such an emotional moment that he's no more. Okay, then I was getting prepared for going to Milan to represent India. I mean, how exciting it was because I came first, at least in something. Because in school, I used to never come first in academics. I mean, uh, but like I was not bad, but never came first, you know. So then I got my visa and I came to Milan. That was like the best experience I ever had in my life. For the world finale, there were almost 42 countries, and I was representing India. Here in Milan, we had a 10 days boot camp, and I think that's why Milan is really special city for me because everything started here and it's really close to my heart. In that 10 days they just taught us everything, like how modeling industry works, and we had a rehearsals for our finale. Also I met like people all over the world, and I got really good friends. I'm still in contact with them, so it was really like the best experience I ever had. But unfortunately I was not in top 15. I won the People Choice Award, but I didn't get the contract with them. And I came back home, back to my college, and luckily my college was really supportive with all of this. And I came back to normal life, and I think it was the hardest time I ever had in my life, because one month before I was just having this glamorous life, and suddenly just back to normal life. So it was really hard to accept it. So for 5 6 months I didn't do anything, but to my surprise, agency from Paris signed me, and I went to Paris. I did my first Paris Fashion Week. I did my first fashion week. So my debut was in Paris. I walked for Celia Kritautini for Haute Couture Week, and I had this beautiful wedding gown. I remember I just flipped a little bit on a ramp because I was so scared. There was like tons of cameras over there, and you just don't know what to do. It was beautiful moment, and later on I signed with agency in Milan, Elite Model Management. They are my mother agency now. After a year later, when I booked Burberry show, I signed with Elite London. So yeah, that's how everything started. Like, it didn't happen for me overnight. It was a process. I have learned a lot with all of these experiences. I started with Paris, then I came to Milan, then London. So the experience I'm having, the working with amazing people in the industry, I'm really lucky that I have the best team, like best bookers and everything. So I just feel lucky about it. If you want to know more about my fashion week, let me know what kind of content you want to see or anything. So I have just arrived in Milan, and we will see how it goes. Because of some visa issues, I couldn't be here on time, and I missed the fashion week, but that's totally okay. Because of COVID, everything has changed, everything is different, and I just feel more blessed and grateful that at least I have a chance to travel. Also, I want to apologize if I've done any mistake or anything, because I'm still learning editing and everything, because I don't know anything about this. So if you have any other suggestions, what kind of content you want to see, please let me know in the comment section, or DM me on Instagram. I'll try to reply you all. I'll see you soon in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you like it, please give a subscribe and share with your family and friends. Love you all.